Hello everyone. In our last class, we started with log and anti-log, how to find the log values, how to find the anti-log values. Let's revise that and we'll move forward with that. Okay. First of all, when we are finding log value, for example, if I want to find log 12.96, what do we do? First, since there is a significant digit, we will have characteristic. So answer is always characteristic decimal mantissa. Characteristic in this case will be number of digits before the decimal minus 1. So here the characteristic will come out to be
1.
1.
One.
And then for Mentisa, we'll look for 12, 9th and 6th value. 12, 9th and 6th value. 12, 9th. And 6th value will also be the below one. Yes? So we will add them. What will we get? What will we get as the Mentisa?
1126.
1126. If instead of this, I would have had 0.00001296, what would the change be? In this case, when we are finding the characteristic, it will be number of digits after the decimal plus 1 and that too negative. So what will come here?
Ma'am, in front minus will come.
I'm sorry?
Minus will come. Number of
Characteristic will be 4 bar.
zero. Yes, ma'am. 4
Yes,
bar.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mentisa will remain the same, 1126.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay, then anti-log. When we are finding anti-log, say anti-log of 2.3243. So anti-log means I have the answer. That means this 2 is the characteristic and this is the Mentisa. In our table, we only look at the Mentisa part in case of anti-log. So we'll first look at 3243. So in anti-log, 0.3243, 0.32, fourth value, and third mean difference. If I add, what will we get?
2110.
2110. And since the characteristic is 2, so number of digits before the decimal minus 1 gives us 2. So the number of digits before the decimal will be? Number of digits before the decimal will be?
Ma'am, 1, ma'am.
No.
3, ma'am.
3.
Characteristic is 2. So that means there should have been 3 digits. Na? That's why we got minus 1 and we got 2.
Yes, ma'am.
So the decimal will be after 3 place. So it's basically 211. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, now what we'll do is we'll use these things to find the complicated sums answer. Let's try and do those. Question. ML Agarwal, exercise 2.4, question 9, number 1. We want to find the value of 5.364 to the power 3 multiplied by 49.76 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 83.45 to the power 1 by 3. We want to find this value. What we will do is we'll first take it to be x. Name it anything. Let x equal this. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll take log on both sides. The main application of logarithm was to find values of these sums, right? Taking log on both sides. This is log x, and this will be log of the entire expression. Log of the entire expression. So now applying the formula. If something is getting multiplied, log AB, we use log A plus log B. And if something is divided, log A by B, we use log A minus log B. So whatever is multiplied, we open it as addition. Whatever is divided, we open it as subtraction. So this will become log 5.364 to the power 3 plus log 49.76 to the power half minus log 83.45 to the power 1 by 3. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, then the second property, the powers come to the
They come to the front.
they'll
They
come
come
to
to
the
the
front.
front.
So 3 log 5.364 plus half log 49.76 minus 1/3 of log 83.45. Yes. So let us now find these values. Log 5.364. What is the log value? Log 5.364. What is the log value?
3439.
Sorry.
Ma'am, is it 3439?
But characteristic will be how much? Number of digits before the decimal is 1. I subtract 1, I get 0. Now,
From
in the
0.7295.
and fourth position. Sorry.
From 0.7295.
Very good. Plus half. 49.76. Characteristic will be 1. Now look in the log table, 49, 7th position and 6th mean difference, add them.
Ma'am, 1.6969.
Very good. Minus 1 by 3, log 83.45.
Ma'am, 1.9215.
1.9215.
Very good. Now simplify. Simplify them. Simplify them. Divide. Divide. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Final plus minus value.
Ma'am, 2.3964.
Very good. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No.
So this was the answer for log x. But we wanted the value of x. So if log x is this, then x will be
Anti-log of
Log of the answer.
2.3964.
2.3964.
anti-log of 2.3964. So now find the value of 0.3964. Find the value of 0.3964 from the anti-log table. From the anti-log table, find 0.396 and fourth mean difference value.
Ma'am, 2491.
Very good. And now since the characteristic is 2, so the decimal will be
Ma'am, after 3 places.
249.
249 point.
Very good. The answer will be 249.2. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Any doubt, guys?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Let's try. Why don't you try the second one?
Yes.
57.8 to the power half multiplied by 0.0027 to the power 1 by 3. Try this. Again, let's name this as x. Taking log on both sides. Log of whole thing. First, since it's multiplied, we are going to open it. Plus log 0.0027 to the power 1 by 3. The powers come to the front. The powers come to the front. Now, what is log 57.8?
1.764.
And what is log 0.0027?
3 bar 0.4314.
3 bar 0.4314. Now, in order to simplify, we need to first remove this bar. We can't have the bar. This one divided 0.88095 plus 1 by 3. 3 bar means 3 is negative, but the decimal portion can never be negative. That is positive. So if I expand this bar, the bar portion is negative, the decimal part is positive. So 0.88095 minus 1, dividing it by 3, it will be
1438.
phones are 4, 4, 3. Yes. Now, if we simplify this, we get 0.02475. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes,
x
ma'am.
will be anti-log 0.02475. What is the anti-log value?
1.059.
1.0.
475
ma'am.
1059. Characteristic is 0, so the decimal will be after 1. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Everybody clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Now we'll move on to the word. See, number 10 is same calculation wise. Yes? If you can see that.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes,
We'll
ma'am.
move on to the word problem. See, in the word problem, you have majority questions from compound interest. So this compound interest, you'll actually do it in the later part of the syllabus. Okay. Let me just give you a gist about what happens. We'll give you the formula in brief. In order to learn in detail, we need to go to the financial maths recording. Yes. So what happens here? Suppose if I invest rupees 100, I have invested rupees 100. I have invested rupees 100. Okay, at 5% per annum. I have or taken a loan of rupees 100 at 5% per annum. So when I'll return after 1 year, how much do I need to pay? I need to pay rupees 100, and in addition, I need to pay 5% of 100. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So if
ma'am.
I take here 100 common, it becomes 1 plus 5%. Do you all agree? Suppose this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
A. Let's name this as A. So after 1 year, the amount that I'll be returning is 100 into 1 plus 5 by 100 against a loan that I took of rupees 100. Do you all agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the second year, what happened? Since I did not return rupees A at the end of 1 year, so now the interest will be calculated on rupees A. So in compound interest, the interest is always calculated on the outstanding amount, the balance amount. So first I took a loan of 100. So for the first year, the loan amount was 100. So we calculated 5% on 100. Then in the second year, what is going on is now the loan, since I did not return even after 1 year, so now the loan amount has increased, right? So now A is my next loan amount. So interest will be calculated on A now. So I have to return A, and I also need to pay 5% of A extra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So again taking A common, 5% is 5 by 100. Yes, any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Now I'm
No,
putting
ma'am.
this value of A here. 100, 1 plus 5 by 100. This is A. And there is one more 1 plus 5 by 100. So this becomes 100. 1 plus 5 by 100 whole square. So when it was the first year, it was 100 into 1 plus 5 by 100 power 1. When it became second year, it became 100 into 1 plus 5 by 100 power 2. So when I go to the third year, what will happen?
It will become cube. 100 into
Power
1 plus 100, the whole cube.
whole power 3 cube. When I go
Yes,
after
ma'am.
10 years, the power will become 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if I'm talking about after n years, what will become? After
Whole
n
power n.
years, what will become?
Whole power
Whole power
n.
n.
Whole power n. So this 100 was my loan amount, my principal. This 5% was my rate, right? And what I'm calculating is amount. So can you tell me what will be my formula then?
A equal to P into,
Instead of 100p,
yes, ma'am, 1 plus
1 plus
R by
R.
100,
R.
5 as r, whole raised to the
the
power
whole power
10
n.
years. This is my compound interest formula. This is amount. If I want to find out interest, amount minus principal will give me the interest.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
this is 1 year. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. I said yes.
Okay. Now this is annually. Okay. For example, understand. If the rate would have been 12% and I'm investing 1100 rupees. So for the first year, what will be the value? What will I write? What will I write?
1100 into 1 plus 12 by 100.
Yes. And after 5 years, what will I write?
We need to write the same, ma'am, but we should add a power 5.
Very good. Power will raise to 5. Any doubts still here?
No.
No, ma'am.
So this is when we are doing it annually, once a year. Like you pay the fees, na? You can pay it in one go. You can pay it half yearly also, right? In 2 installment. You can pay it quarterly also. Quarterly is what? In a year, you're going to pay the entire fees in 4 installments. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And in some institutes, they have monthly fees also. Similarly here, this 12%, the rate that is provided to us is always for the entire year. Now, if I calculate this half yearly or semi-annually, that is in 6 months. So if I want to pay 12% for the full year, so for 6 months, how much will I pay? If I'm paying 12% interest for the full year, so for 6 months, how much interest rate will I pay?
Ma'am, 6%.
6%, half of it. If 10% would have been for the whole year, then for half yearly, what I will take?
5%.
Half of the rate. So when I'm doing half yearly, the rate becomes half. Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
So this 1100 after 6 months, it will become 1100 into 1 plus 6 by 100. After 1
Yes.
year, it will become 1 plus 6 by 100 to the power 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in 1 year, when we are doing annually, I have to pay only once. Now when we are doing half yearly, how many times do I need to pay?
Twice.
Twice. So in
Twice.
5 years, how many times I'll pay?
10 times.
Time gets multiplied by 2. So in 5 years, the power will become 1 plus 6 by 100 to the power 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if the same thing I would have done quarterly. Quarterly means how many times in a year?
4 times.
So if 12% is for the entire year and I'm now paying it in 4 parts. So for one part, for 3 months, what will be the rate?
2%.
Rate will be 3%. 12% gets divided into 4 parts. For the
Yes, ma'am.
entire year, 4 parts mean 3 months, right? So for 12 months, you are paying 12%. So for 3 months, we will pay 3%. 4 parts, 12 by 4, 3%. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Quarterly means 4 parts. So for the entire year, I'm paying 12% divided by 4 into 4 equal parts. So for each part, I pay 3%, second part 3%, third part 3%, fourth part 3%. That will total accumulate to 12% of the entire year. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So in quarterly, the rate gets divided by 4. And in 1 year, how many installments will I pay? In 1 year, how many installments?
4.
When we are doing half yearly, we divide the rate by 2, multiply the time double. When we are doing quarterly, we divide the rate by 4. And in 1 year, we are paying 4 installments. So in 5 years, how many installments will I pay?
20.
20
So
installments.
1100 in 3% after 5 years, I'll have 1100. 1 plus 3 by 100 raised to the power 20.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If I would have been doing this monthly, what will I take my rate?
1%.
1%, 12% for 12 months, 1 year. So for 1 month, I'll take only 1%. And in 1 year, how many installments will I pay?
12.
12. So in 5 years, how many will I pay?
60 installments.
16 installments.
So 1100, 1 plus 1 by 100 to the power 60. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in all the cases, the formula is amount P 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. Now, what I'll take my rate and time will depend upon how am I compounding it. Monthly, quarterly, half yearly. The rate that the question will give you is for always the entire rate. We need to convert it into half yearly or monthly. They'll never give us a half yearly rate. They always give us the annual rate. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's try question number 11. Question number 11. How much would an investor accrue by investing rupees 50,000? I am investing rupees 50,000. So this 50,000 will be my
Principal.
principal. At an interest of 7% per annum for 1 year, rate is 7% and time is 4 years. When interest is compounded monthly, we are doing the entire calculation monthly. So now what will my rate be? 7% is for the entire year, 12 months. So if I'm doing monthly for 1 month, what will I take my rate?
Mm. 7 by 12.
7 by
7 by 12. For 1 year, how many installments?
12 installments.
12,
12
For
is
4 year, how many installments?
48.
48.
So same formula. Let's put the values. P is 50,000. 1 plus 7 by 12. Time is 48.
Yes, ma'am.
1 plus 7 by 1200. 1207. 1200 power 40. Can we do this orally or manually without using a calculator? Can we do this? It's not practically possible for us
Yeah.
to do this manually. So in such a calculation, what will we do?
With the help of logs.
Yes.
We can
So
use
take
log.
log on both sides. Let's take log on both sides. And similarly, just like we did taking x, now instead of x, we have a. Try to solve this. Take log on both sides and try to solve this. Taking log on both sides. Log a. So now a multiplication opens by addition. Subtraction open by division opens by subtraction. The powers will come to the front. The powers will come to the front. Log 1207 minus, I have taken 48 count. Let's find these values. Log 50,000, 0.0 basically. The characteristic will be
4.
4.
4. And you need to see 50 0 in the log table. It will be
6990.
0.6990. Log 1207.
3.0817.
Log 1200.
3.0792.
3.0792.
Calculate. Calculate.
From 48 into 0.0025.
Multiply then 48.
And the final answer is 4.8190.
How much did you say?
From 4.8190.
And this is the value of log A. Now when we need to find out A, what will we do?
From
Anti-log
anti-log.
of 4.819.
A will be anti-log of 4.819. So in the anti-log table, see 81th ninth, 0.81 ninth position. 0.81 ninth position.
Ma'am, 65920.
5920.
6592. Now, since the
6592.
characteristic is 4, so the decimal will be after
5.
5
5
places.
places. So at the end, we need to write another number 0 because we have lesser numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This will be rupees. Amount is this. If they would have asked us to find compound interest, we would have subtracted 50,000 from it and then gave the answer. Any problem?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Everybody clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's try question number 12. Question number 12. Calculate the compound interest. So even though if I want to find compound interest, we'll first find amount only. Earned on rupees 3 lakh for 5 years at the rate of 10% per annum, compounded quarterly. So now you first tell me, what is 3 lakh?
Principal.
Principal.
Principal is 3 lakh. Rate is 10%, but that is for the full year. And we are finding quarterly. So what will I take my rate?
10 by 4.
Into
10
4.
by
4,
10
that is
by
5
4.
by 2%. And the time is given to be 5 years, but we are doing it quarterly. How many
5
installments?
into 4.
5 into 4.
20
installments.
installments. We know. Let us first find out amount. Then we'll subtract it. P1 plus R by 100 to the power n. 3 lakh. 1 plus 5 by 2 upon 100 to the power 20. 1 plus 5 by 200. 5 ones are 540. So 41 by 40 to the power 20. Now again, power 20, it's not possible for us to do manually. So what we'll do is we'll again take the help of logarithm. We'll again take the help of logarithm.
Yes, ma'am.
So taking log on both sides. Log A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is log plus 20 comes to the front. Log 41 minus log 40. Any doubt in the same?
No,
No.
ma'am.
No.
Find the value. What is log 3 lakh?
Ma'am, 5.477.
771. Log 41.
Ma'am, is it 6128?
1.6128.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Log 40.
1.6021.
60.
21, ma'am.
Yes. Simplify. Five point four seven seven one plus 0.214. 5.6911. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was log A. Now what will we do?
Need to find A. A could be anti-log of A.
A is
5.11.
anti-log of 5.691. Answer.
Ma'am,
So we'll first look at
491
0.691 and 1. Sorry.
And the answer is 491,000.
4910. And since the characteristic is 5, decimal will be after 6 places. So you need to put 2 more zeros. Rupees. This is amount. But what they asked us to find was compound interest. What will we do?
Owned
Amount
minus
minus principal.
Compound interest will be amount minus principal. 491,000 minus 3 lakh. 1,91,000. It will differ from the book answer, no? And this is the exact answer. Anyone is facing any problem?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Will you all give the next question a try?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please try. Okay. In this question,
5.83 years.
very good. How long? That means we need to find the time. Would it take for an investor to double an investment of 60,000? That means we invested 60,000 and we got in return double the amount, that is 1,20,000. So the principal is 60,000. The amount became double, that is 1,20,000 at 12% per annum, compounded monthly. So the rate will be how much?
1%.
1%.
1%. And when they ask us to find time, they're asking us to find the year. So let number of year be t. Then n will be how much? In 1 year, there are 12 installments. So in t years, how many installments will I have?
T into 2. Ma'am, 12T.
Yes.
12T.
So amount
20.
1 plus R by, whenever they ask us to find the time, it is always going to be in years. Huh? 1,20,000, 60,000, 1 plus 1 by 100 to the power 12. They get cancelled. 2. 2 is 1.01 to the power 12. Let's take log. So log 2, power comes to the front, log 1.01. What is log 2?
0.30.
0.3.
3010.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is log 1.01? Log 1.01. Log 1.01.
Ma'am, 0,
Characteristic.
0, 0.0043.
Okay. So T will be 0.3010 by 12 into 0043. So 3010, 12 into 43. Answer is 5.83. Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Question number 40. 14. Population of a country grows at the rate of 6.7% per annum yearly. How long does it take for the population to double? That means if it was 100, it became 200. If it was 1 lakh, it became 2 lakh. So if the population is P, it has become now
2P, ma'am.
2P double.
2P.
So let the population be P. Yes. According to question, it has now become 2P. The rate is 6.7. We need to find out time. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
P gets cancelled.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's take log on both sides. Log 2 n log 1.067. Log 2 we just calculated 0.3010. What is the value of log 1.067? What is the value of log 1.067?
Ma'am, is it 0.281? 0.0281.
Yes, perfect. So n will be, let's divide them. So 3010 by 281.
From 10.71.
Very
10 points.
10.71 is. It will be 10.71 years.
Yes.
Here the population was increasing. That's why we wrote 1 plus 6.7%. If the population would have been decreasing, I would have written 1 minus 6.7%. Interest usually gets added, right? That's why the formula was 1 plus R by 100. If it was getting subtracted, if it was getting reduced, we'll subtract it, 1 minus. Yes? So if it is increasing, we'll add 1 plus R by 100, and if it is decreasing, we'll write 1 minus R by 100. Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's our next question, number 15. 15. A new machine that was costing rupees 6,40,000. Its price depreciates at the rate of 10% per annum. What will be the price of the machine after 7 years? So we want the machine to depreciate its price by 10% 7 times. So instead of increasing by 10%, we need to decrease it by 10%. So what formula will we use for depreciation? What formula are we supposed to use?
Compound interest formula.
I'm sorry.
Ma'am, is it the compound interest formula?
Same formula, but there is a
Yes.
slight change.
Ma'am, it should be 1 minus
Change in the
R by
sign
100.
alone, ma'am. Instead of plus, it should become minus.
Yeah, perfect. Rest everything is same. So amount we want to find out. Principal. The initial price was 6,40,000. 1
Yes.
minus 10% times 7 years. 6,40,000. That is 9 by 10. Taking log on both sides. Log A. Log 6,40,000 plus 7. Log 9 minus log 10. Log 6,40,000 will be
Ma'am, 5.8062.
very good. Log 9 it is 90 0. 9542. 0.9542. What is log 10? We don't need a log table for that. What is log 10 value?
1.
1. Subtract.
Ma'am, minus 0.0458.
Perfect. Multiply it by 7.
Ma'am, minus 0.3206.
Now subtract this.
Ma'am, 5.4856.
Very good. So this is the value of log A. So from here, A will be anti-log of 5.4856. So in the anti-log table, watch at 0.4856, and then the characteristic is 5. So decimal will be after 6 places.
Ma'am, 305900.
Now characteristic will be 5 is 5. So decimal after 6. So we write 2 more zeros here. So the depreciated value has become this 3,59,000. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
Everybody clear, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, let's try 16. 16 usually is a very common question for a case study. Okay, let's read. An earthquake is measured with an amplitude 30,000 times as large as the smallest possible measurable amplitude A0. That means it is given that amplitude A is 30,000 times A0.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And we are given R is log A by A0 base 10, obviously. Instead of A, we are writing A0 by A0. This is log 30,000. So we need to do nothing, just find log 30,000. What is log 30,000?
Ma'am, 4.4771.
4.4771. But they asked us to find till 2 decimal digits. So 2 decimal digit. The third digit is 7. So it will become 48. The answer that they gave is for 1 decimal digit. For 2, it is 4.48. If they would have asked us for 1, I would have looked at the second digit, that is 7. So I would have written it 4.5. Depending upon what they asked us to go till 2 decimal digit. So it should have been 48. But the answer that they wrote is still only 1 decimal digit. So if it is 2, it is 4.48. If the decimal digit is 1, then the answer is 4.5. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So with this, we are done with this logarithm chapter.